Jesus, is this pant or bra? Or brazy?
Scarf.
Scarf.
Scarf and hijab.
Hijab. Are you selling them?
Yes.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Mama, it's fine.
Which one do you want?
The one I want.
Yes.
I want to drive out. You don't no, relax. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Hope you're okay.
Yes.
You're fine, right? Yes. I don't want to be rude. Okay. But this is not, it's improper for you to be displaying your market on someone's car. You don't even know the owner of the car.
I just want to arrange it.
You want to arrange it?
Yes.
That is why you're displaying on top of my car. Because this place looks like trade fair.
No, me,
or Alaba. Oh, me, Koko. I beg, please. Hey, God. See, just carry your stuff. Carry everything. Put here, they can't go. I beg. No one
just
shouts.
get patient. I arrange my market first.
Make I get patient for my motor.
Yes,
again.
get patient first. So that first I'll arrange it. Oh, yeah. Help me.
I should help you.
Yes.
On top of it.
Yes,
Please.
yes. Just help me.
See, you scratch my car. You scratch my car.
Oh, I should do it again, man. Arrange it.
Put it back. Thank you.
Kilode, tomato Jamini.
You want to say?
Man, arrange my market.
That's not about my motor, Abi. I know you're blaming you.
I said the motor, I don't see arrange.
God, I said the motor.
How much? Before I buy a motor, people don't already buy their own.
Yeah.
Just want to arrange market. Tell me, man, carry my market for what?
Okay. I don't blame you. I don't blame you, man. I don't blame you, man. You are begging me. You said they insult me on top.
Please help me.
Now just they rude. All this market men are they rude. Now they rude. Very rude. How much for your scarf?
Which one?
They gonna they buy. Come, sorry. No, sorry, it's a prank.
I just keep my market here, just a talk.
Sorry, now prank. Don't big motor. Now prank. See the camera already. I'm not a speaker, but say your market, yo. Good market, yo. Say your market, not me get moto. Now prank. Me say if I decide this kind of thing. No verse. And if you find, no.
Which one do you want?
I wish I be Oba for don't buy one. I know do you.
Nobody wear them now.
Nobody
People they wear them. Any type of language they wear them. Go better go.
Almost go. It's fine. How much?
2,000.
Jesus. Nabia. Oh, okay. Well done, eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Can share. Don't want to prank. Oh, no, me get moto. Thank you, eh? Bye.